This year, my wife and I celebrated our 10-year anniversary and final baby moon by leaving our kids behind with their grandparents to travel to one of our favorite places in the world, Switzerland. Instead of sharing a Google Doc of our itinerary, I wanted to put together a travel series from all the footage that I shot during our trip. Like the old saying goes, it's better to show, not tell. Next up is the city of Lucerne, where we met up with our Swiss friend, Olivia. The door is locked. Alright, gonna go meet Olivia. Driving here, wow, what a great looking city. We met Olivia back in 2017 in Taiwan, where she was studying abroad. At the time, I was so excited to meet a Swiss native, and especially someone who was from the amazing city of Lucerne.
By train, like door to door, it's around 30 minutes.
Okay, you take the train?
Yeah.
Okay.
You train or bus.
I see.
There's both.
Over the years, we talked about meeting up in Switzerland, and on this trip, those plans finally came to fruition. Oh, you ride your bike every day to the bus stop?
Because I'm always running late. It's the fastest way to get to
What is it? Yeah, what is this?
the city, like clock tower, and also the municipality.
Okay. Municipality, like the government office?
Yeah, it used to be, but not anymore. So now they use it more for like events or like weddings. And then we got it. Me and my mom and her.
I'm here today. It was crazy how Lucerne is Olivia's hometown. With the brief amount of time we had, she was able to show us some of the main highlights.
I think you live there.
Yeah, we're from Bern.
Wow. All right. What is the name of this this building, this church? What is this?
Actually,
It's not. Oh.
It used to be like, I think a hotel or someone lived here, but they don't really. I don't know if they still have the wall.
Like throughout the city, basically. Or...
Almost. Some they have blocked off just to protect the towers, and some they let the public go see, like cool. Here. And you can walk inside up all the way to the top.
Wow.
And then on the other side, there's a school building now. They use it for a running track and like it's a school.
Oh.
So they try to repurpose some of the.
What is the name of this?
It's clock tower. So this was in the 1500s.
You guys go. I don't want to feel bad. You guys go.
Wow.
So yeah, my brother still does. My dad stopped a few years ago, just health condition wise. And I used to always go ski with my dad. So I stopped
Once
as
you
well.
stop, yeah.
Knowledge is insane.
Totally. I know.
Smartphones, no
Yeah.
problem.
I know. They know how to navigate. Like even my 2.5-year-old.
Yeah. Tablets, everything.
Yeah.
How many more am I coming up?
So still have a while to go. I'm almost like halfway. The boys excited. Andrew, our youngest, is doing it. Oh, yeah. But then, yeah, but then they're all like,
If you ever
He has one super cute little place here. He knows now
right,
what's
yeah.
happening. You know we're coming.
Yep. Andrew, good luck, man. This is it. Honest volunteer. Weird. So to go from Taiwan back to much more.
No, so like if you were to book from Taiwan to come here and back, it's more expensive than like here there. Like my boyfriend had to pay at least
Bridge.
$1,000.
If we had more time on this trip, we definitely would have stayed longer in Lucerne.
Sad. Then my dad was in the woods.
Someone just did a thing.
In addition to the sights around the city, one of the biggest highlights in Lucerne is the Mount Pilatus Golden Roundtrip, which takes you across various scenic areas to the top of Mount Pilatus and back. The first step is to obtain boat or train passes at the Lucerne railway station. If you have a Swiss pass, these tickets are covered. With your ticket, take either a boat or train to Alpakstad. We went with a boat ride, which is an hour long and very scenic. Once you arrive at Alpakstad, you will ride the world's steepest cogwheel railway up to Mount Pilatus. My luck has always been terrible with mountain views, and unfortunately, when we went, the area was covered by clouds and visibility was very low. To return back to Lucerne, take the aerial cableway back down and ride a 15-minute bus back into town.
So interesting how we're going over people's houses right now.